Hbar holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know exactly what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Hbar. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The past 24 hours have been quite interesting. And again, I keep you guys updated by, obviously doing these day-to-day analysis updates. But right now, going into Tuesday morning, the market is actually looking green. Jupiter is actually the top gainer right now, 25.6% over the past, few hours, which of course, there's some big news coming out of Jupiter, massive burn. And I'm sure if you are tapped in, in the Solana chain and, the ecosystem, you're aware of that. But pretty much the broader market is up right now, which of course is nice to see. Looking at Hbar right now, the price is currently sitting at 31.7 cents. We're up 3% in USD, down 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at 12.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume has increased a little bit compared to yesterday. Currently sitting at about $644.6 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys know it's not a Crypto ZX update unless we don't discuss Bitcoin dominance. Here it is, guys. You're looking at the dominance index shooting up. And, of course, we spoke about this earlier. If you watch my XCN update, I spoke to you guys about, this wick up towards almost 59.62% for the dominance. And again, this doesn't surprise me why we did see a major retracement yesterday for altcoins, including Hbar. So, dominance is still, even though we have seen the dominance pull down a little bit, it's still quite high. It's currently sitting above 59%. So we need to realize, before people start jumping around and saying, oh yeah, the market is looking amazing, bullish, we're about to see the reversal, I think we kind of need to settle down and really take a look at some of the other factors as well, especially the FOMC meeting, which seems like everyone has forgotten about. But DeepSeek has really flushed the market, and even the AI coins, AI cryptos, even obviously crypto in general, but the AI stocks really got hit yesterday, which of course was quite strange, and has caused a lot of panic. And I think that panic is not done just yet. Right now, Bitcoin is bouncing. Of course, I'm sure no one's really complaining. But I mentioned to you guys in the XCN update, you need to always think from a whale perspective. Obviously, yesterday, major fear, right? More and more people are going to be like, okay, yeah, there's so much fear, we're going to see the market pull down. And then, that's where a lot of people start shorting. And this is where, the whales will come and step in and, shake out the markets, shake out the leverage over leverage positions. And, if you're looking at the leverage positions and, the liquidation numbers, they're literally through the roof. And you have seen, Bitcoin making its way back up to $103,000. But there's still this gut feeling that I have that, I think we're not out of the woods yet. I would not even be surprised if we see the market, going even back down to the likes of 97.6 or even lower if FOMC meeting does not go as anticipated. Of course, if there's good announcements coming in, obviously, the price of, Bitcoin could rise. But that's why, like I've said to you guys over the last, few days, this week is very important. But right now, as of recording this update, short term, obviously you are seeing, strength in Bitcoin. But, the fact that dominance is this high, it's still giving me some sketchy feeling right now, still, to be quite frank with you. I think it could be honestly a fake out. I'm not right every single time, but I look at it from every single angle, and right now I am not satisfied based off of what I'm looking at, even with the Bitcoin dominance index. But if you're looking at Hbar, first let's take a look at Hbar's price on the daily time frame to really analyze and take a look at how the chart's looking on the daily time frame. So if you're looking at it on the daily time frame here, guys, look at it for yourself, still within the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. So the price still has not yet hit the 27 cents. And of course, it goes back to what I've said in my updates, over the last few days. You can see this for yourself, guys. We obviously saw the price of Hbar actually falling down to 29 cents. And what's crazy here, and I know a lot of people are going to be like, whatever, who cares? Why is the price not going up? No. Well, that's not what we're here for. We're here to discuss what really happened. Guys, look at this. Remember I said, and I know I'm sounding like a broken record, but it's really important to understand this. Remember this long consolidation phase? You didn't even see the price retest the 0.50 support itself. We haven't even retested that, even though we have seen, dominance skyrocket. Bitcoin had a flash pullback. But despite that, Hbar did not even retest the 0.50 fib zone, thanks to the extensive amount of support for Hbar. And look at that, just like that, as market bounced, Hbar left level around that 29 cents. We are back up to 32 cents like we've never left. And what's crazy right now is we have extensive amount of resistance coming in the way where we currently are. If this resistance is able to break out, Hbar will make its way up to 35 cents to even possibly get back to 38.2, and making it seem like this move that we saw didn't even exist. So what's the takeaway from this? The takeaway is how important patience is within this market, because you could see these massive swings, and just in a week or two you see the market bouncing back, and you're pretty much seeing like the price action that you did see and towards the downside seemed like it never happened. So this is why you need to understand what kind of markets you're in. The volatility aspect of crypto space. Market does see major sideways momentum, sometimes massive moves towards the upside, and there could be times where you do see a market shakeout even when the project is looking extremely bullish. And that's why we take a look at Bitcoin and dominance every single day. But right now, what you guys want to be understanding is where the price of Hbar is kind of stalling. We have a significant amount of resistance where we are. If this resistance is able to break out, I think we can really recover back up to the zone where we pretty much were just a day ago. But with that said, we want to be paying very, very close attention to the external factors, external news that can impact the price of Bitcoin, which of course, will impact Hbar as well. And of course, examine the dominance index. Of course, if dominance starts pulling down to the likes of 56% or even going down to the December lows, this is best, thing that you could be asking for. I think, we do see even all-time highs at that point. But right now, we're going to take it one step at a time. I'm liking what I'm seeing with Hbar. Very, very impressed. As you guys know, I say this on a day-to-day basis. As of now, you guys know I'm not going to be shy away. If the price was indeed looking bearish, I'm not going to be sitting here and saying, guys, the price is looking bullish. Absolutely not. Right now, the price is actually showing a significant amount of strength, and that shows everything for itself. But again, one step at a time right now. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.